Money advice often sounds complicated. Budgets, spreadsheets, tracking apps, and endless rules make saving feel like a second job. But wealth does not begin with complexity. It begins by removing decisions. Most people believe saving requires discipline. They wait until the end of the month and try to save whatever remains. Usually, nothing remains. The problem is not spending too much. The problem is seeing the money before saving it. Visibility creates temptation. Humans naturally spend what feels available. When money sits in your account, your brain labels it safe to use. Saving becomes optional instead of automatic. The invisible saver flips the order. Instead of saving what is left after spending, you spend what is left after saving. The moment income arrives, a small portion moves away automatically. No thinking, no hesitation, no emotion involved. Because the transfer happens before you see the money, your lifestyle quietly adapts to what remains. Nothing feels restricted. This removes the hardest part of personal finance, decision fatigue. The system saves for you while you focus on living. Automation transforms saving from a behavior into an environment. When the system is designed correctly, success becomes the default outcome. Even small amounts matter. Consistency beats intensity. Tiny transfers repeated over time quietly build financial stability. Over months and years, automation compounds effort you never feel. Progress happens in the background of ordinary life. Notice what disappears: guilt, stress, and constant self-control. The system replaces motivation with structure. Eventually, identity changes. You stop trying to be someone who saves money, you simply become someone who always saves. Wealth grows quietly when money moves before emotions arrive. The invisible saver works because it removes human weakness from the process. The automatic wealth system is simple. Income arrives, savings happen first, life continues normally. The richest habit is removing the decision entirely.